Okay, today I'm reviewing the Alpha X200 True Wireless Earbuds by Vankyo. And here is the case. This is how they are packaged. A little picture on the back. And it is very well packaged. Kind of reminds me, when I first opened it, of like an Apple product, how nicely packaged it was. So you can see it's here, and it is really quite heavy for this item, but it's made out of an aluminum alloy, and I guess that gives it some of the weight to it. And you can see as soon as you open it up, they power up, and they can show you the charging status of each of the left and right, and then the number in the middle is how much battery remaining for the case. So the case will charge them as well. But there they are. As soon as you power them up, you go on your phone, and it works with Android or iPhone, and go under the Bluetooth settings. It will show up as the Alpha X200. You just pair it, and then from that point forward, whenever you put them back in the case and close it, it will disconnect from your phone, and then next time you open, it will instantly pair with your phone and be ready to go. So they did go with a micro USB and not a USB-C. So if you're looking for a USB-C, this one does not have it. One little cool thing they included in the box was the micro to USB-A, which is your standard host port type style USB. So you can plug this into here, and then you can use this as a power bank to charge your phone or other USB device. So that's cool. Turns your headphone case into a power bank. Also comes with a micro USB cable to charge the case. You also get 6. There's 3 pairs, the small, medium, and large ear caps. So you can find one that fits you best. Also comes with a very informative manual, very well done. It goes over everything regarding what you get. All the features of the case, how to use it, how to pair. Everything you want to know is in this manual. Goes over all the touch controls as well, which are very handy. Once you get used to them, then it's really easy, really quick to use. So very good manual is included. So my wife said these look a lot better than some of the other earbuds I've tried out and worn. I don't have any problem with them falling out. I've been running with them. No problems whatsoever with them coming out of my ears. And they're kind of hidden, like you don't see it very much over here unless you're really paying attention. But there it is. So, look pretty cool. Alright, so one thing I want to point out that kind of set these apart from other earbuds that I've tried is the touch controls. Now, some other earbuds that I have and have tried out, this is a button. So in order to start or answer a call or stop a call or fast forward, you have to push in a button 1, 2, 3 times, depending on what you want to do. This is just touch, so it works really well. So when you put these in your ears, you don't have to push them into your ears to have it start or stop your music or change. You just gently touch the outside, and depending on which ear you touch, then they do different things. So here are the smart touch controls. You can see you press once on the left or right, and that will play or pause. You press twice, and that will skip backwards on the left. You press twice on the right one, it'll skip forward. Press once on the left or right to answer and hang up a call. A long press on the left one for volume down, long press on the right one for volume up. And then you can press it 3 times to activate Siri. This does use Bluetooth 5.0, so you're going to get really good sound quality and really good range out of this. I did notice that this has a larger driver. It's got an 8mm driver for the speaker in each ear, so you do get really good bass and really good sound out of these compared to some of the other ones in the same price range that I've tried. I can't compare these to like the $300 Bose or Sony's. I haven't listened to them to compare it, but this is nowhere in that price range. So you do get 7 hours per charge out of these earbuds, and then it says that the case will provide 120 total hours of usage out of that. So I haven't tested that, but that is the advertised hours. So you could use these for quite a long time and not need to recharge them. Now these are advertised as IPX8, and what that means, they should be waterproof at depths greater than 3 feet. So let's try it out. I don't really have 3 foot of water here, but I do have a cup of water. Here we go. Boom. Okay. I can hear my music playing in the water, which is kind of neat. You hear it, don't you? Yeah. My daughter just took the cup and she heard it, so I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear that in there? I don't know, but there they are. They're underwater in there. And so we're going to take them out and see if they're still good and working. So let's kind of shake. So here, I don't know where. So there they are. They're still playing music. This one's still working? Yep. So there we go. They survived the water test. I probably wouldn't recommend swimming with them or anything like that, but you don't have to worry about being caught in the rain if you're going for a run, or if you sweat a lot. I think these will be just fine. So yeah, really like these. Really enjoy the touch controls. Very easy to skip between tracks and change the volume and everything. Really like the case. Really easy to pair. Sound quality is good. Highly recommend them. Go check them out. They're on Amazon. Put the link down below.